Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Magride problem. When you get this symbol come up on your dash, you know there's a fault with your Magride. So I'm going to show you how to fix that forever. So what you need to do is basically completely get rid of it and fit something completely different. So let's do that, and then we'll never have a Magride issue ever again. So the pig is back!
The pig is back, yes. Been good as gold since last time.
Yeah. So, the parts to get rid of the Magride and some extras. We've got some rear arms we're going to put on, so I might as well refresh that. So Ibex springs, Bilstein shocks, so it's the B12 kit. Got some new drop links, top mounts and bearings, and we're going to bang a new gearbox mount insert. Don't know what's in there. Oh, and the Magride delete kit. So let's crack on with that, get these wheels off, and start swapping out.
So Barry starts off removing the rear lower arms. I do have a video on doing this which I'll link up here, so if you want to see how to do it in more detail, just click the link up here. So with one side down, the spring going flying, I'm going to start on the rear shocks. So first of all I need to unplug the Magride and then just remove the two 16mm bolts. There's still one bolt at the bottom and I'll get back to that in a minute. Now Barry finally managed to unseize a bolt which was really stuck in there. As I said earlier, these can be an absolute pain and they can seize in, but he's cracked it off and it is undoing. If you're enjoying the videos and find them helpful or just entertaining, why not give us a subscribe, give us a like and leave a comment below. It really does help the channel out and it's absolutely free to do. With the two bolts at the top undone, we just need to undo this lower bolt and then we can remove the shock from the vehicle. With the shock removed, now we just give that to Barry so he can just pull the little connector off the top of the Magride, and be very careful with these because they can break easily.
Barry, talk to us.
Here we are, Magride centre. Little screwdriver under there, either side.
Pop.
Off it pops.
No breaky.
No breaky. All intact.
Wicked. So you'll see this on eBay soon.
Where are those?
I think they're Draper.
Yeah.
And I like it because you've got the fingers. I know you end up with like 3 dirty black fingers, but it's even got the nice little tabs to pull them on and off.
Yeah, but to be fair, you can always clean your fingers, can't you?
Exactly.
You can clean your fingers.
Clean the fingers, right. Where's the bolts for this then?
Right, let's get the music back on.
So with the mount now fixed to the new shock, we now install that back onto the car with the two 16mm bolts. Then we connect the Magride lead resistor and we manage to tuck it up in the arch and cable tie it to a good spot so we know it's not going to rattle around and it's in a safe place. I then start swapping over the brackets for the rear sensors on the arms. So off with the old and then onto the new ones, one on each side.
Actually, we need to do another vid on the
Red one.
We
do.
Should we go for the cheeseburger? Cheeseburger.
Are we going full fat boy?
Shall we? See, look, this is the attention to detail. We don't want dirty. We want mint.
So the shocks are all in place, looking absolutely sexy. New arms are going in, and Barry's just
cleaning up the rubbers.
Cleaning rubber.
Gotta have clean rubber.
Brad's on the pizzas.
Yeah, mate.
So now we start removing the front struts. So with a strut spreader in the back to open it up, and the 3 bolts undone at the top which are holding the top mounts in. We then start giving it a few little friendly taps so the strut will then come out of the hub.
I'm going to pre-lube it inside.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
She's out. She's out. Ah! I've got her. She's heavy. She's heavy with one hand. Got an angle. Success. There we go. So, new shock, new spring, new top mount and bearing, and we're just taking the little dust cover off this one so we can put it onto that one, and it'll be all good.
Be mint.
Be mint.
Mint, mint.
Ready?
Yep. Yep.
Yep.
That's
Cool.
it. Right.
Is your gun have the balls for that, or shall I get mine?
Yours is probably more likely to have the balls, but I reckon that'll just spin now.
Well,
soon find out.
Try gunning it. If it don't, we'll take drastic measures. Wasn't that bad to do, was it, lads?
See? And we get the boot.
But Barry, do your thing.
You caught you.
Let's let Barry put it on without the spring first.
Numpty.
Is it the upside down spring?
Yeah, so, not sure that's
Do you
all
want the seat?
okay.
Do you want the seat for the bottom? There ain't one, mate.
Or doing a bit of dog walking outside your...
That ain't coming off. That ain't coming off. Look at that.
So with the front strut all put back together, it's time to get it back onto the car. So just the reversal of removal, but obviously pushing up into the strut with the hub instead of pulling down. Let's give it a friendly few taps again so it seats in there properly, whilst using the trolley jack to pump it up to put the pressure on so it goes in nicely. With the strut all in place now and looking really good, nice and fresh, new drop link as well. We now can fit the Magride delete resistor onto the front, and everyone's looking very pleased with themselves. And that is a job done. So now just putting the wheel back on. We've nearly run out of pizza, and we've gone through probably about 20 cans of Pepsi Max while we've been doing this. But it's all done now. All sides are done. It's looking absolutely wicked. Brad will obviously have to go and get the tracking done to get it all aligned again, and it will be handling absolutely wicked, and he'll never have any Magride issues ever again.
No reason I can't know what they're doing.
So that is how you fix a Magride issue. I don't like that. Sounded really weird then. So that is how you fix the Magride issue. Happy days.
Yay!
Yellow suspension.
Yellow! Yellow!
Right, so that's the pig done. So we've already had a tidy up. So catch you in the next one. So sweetheart, what are you doing back down this end?
Oh, I forgot the bump stops.